Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat for July 28th, 2024. So the Morse code for today is bridge. The first thing you do is to click on this daily cipher here. When you click on it, the interface will change to red. Then you type in the letters. The first letter, which is B, you get it by doing one dash and three dots. Remember, to get the dash is long press, the dot is regular tap. Like this is the long press, you hold and leave, but the regular tap is just one tap. So for the B, you do one dash and three dots. Dash, one, two, three, three dots. For the R, you do one dot, one dash, and another dot. One dot, dash, dot. Is bridge. That's the word, that's the Morse code. Bridge, BRIDGE. So for the I, you do two dots. One, two. Oh, we have to start afresh. Okay, let's go again. Dash, dot, dot, dot. For the R, dot, dash, dot. Remember, dot, dash, dot. For the I, two dots. One, two. For the D, one dash and two dots. Dash, one, two. For the G, two dashes and one dot. Dash, dash, dot. For the E, which is the last letter, is just one dot. E is always one dot. Dot. You take the price here. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video. Please, thank you.